Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 8th, 2022. Another hot one today, another dry one. Hopefully we'll get some rain soon. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest, see just what we got out of our blue flesh Irish type potatoes. Not our sweet potatoes. There's blue flesh sweet potatoes and there's blue flesh Irish type potatoes and all. So last year in these garden beds, over winter, I put in mustard greens, and this bed did not get that much growth during that time because it was one of the last beds to grow. Or did it get some? I can't remember. So we had mustard greens going in here last year. We didn't have a mixture with other species to help increase nitrogen fixation and all that. And this is the year that I also cut back some of the garden edges here as well. So a lot of this material is broken down wood chip material. And the blue flesh potatoes, I used our small ones. I don't use our biggest ones because we cook with all our biggest ones. But over the last few years, our blue flesh potatoes have not been large. They've just been medium to small. So I probably put mostly small in here, and I put too many close together. But I just wanted some of them to break down if that was necessary. I never hilled up the area. I dug a trench. I use Elon the excavator to make a trough down the center, a trench down the center, put the sweet potatoes in, and filled it all the way up the way it is now. And the sweet potatoes, the potatoes, not the sweet potatoes, took a couple weeks for them to get to the point where they were. Last week Thea came through and weeded the area because we neglected it. There were tons of weeds in here. And so I don't expect a heck of a lot, but I've got a tray over here. I have two more backups just in case, but we'll see what we got here. The other thing I didn't do, I just turned off the drip irrigation to this bed. This one got watered at 1 a.m. this morning. So I like to dry the soil out, but the vines are dying back. There's still enough strength in the vines if I grab a hold of them and I use the fork to loosen up the soil at the base of them. Hopefully I'll be able to get some up and see what we got. So that's what we're going to do now, is see what we get out of this bed. I'm not expecting a lot, and I'll be happy with whatever I get. So here we go. Okay, I finished getting the blue flesh potatoes out of the central garden. They're drying off some here. Here are the 3 bins. So I'd say they're about average size for the blue potatoes that we grow here on our site. Lots of small ones, which most people would call them like salt potato size. I enjoy them, all different sizes. They look to be in really good condition as well. So, okay. So, it was hot. It still is hot outside. It's overcast right now, and hopefully we're going to get some rain today. I'm pretty happy with the amount of the blue flesh potatoes that we've gotten out. We still have the russets that are in the eastern garden plot to get out, but the vines are still viable at this point. We want to wait until the vines really start to die back. And so we're going to cure these. So we'll put them, ideally you'd like to keep them around 60 degrees Fahrenheit, very high humidity for a couple of weeks, so that mainly so that the skin can get a consistency that's going to really protect them. We'll end up curing these for about 2 weeks, then put them into the root cellar with pretty high humidity, and see how they do down there. Hopefully we'll do well with the rest of the ones. In the next couple of days, depending on how the weather is, I'll get things set in the bed that I just harvested the potatoes from, and get those all set as well. So I'm pretty much beat for the day. It's just early afternoon now. So I'll probably do some video editing on a couple of videos and see how things go. So pretty happy with how things turned out. Hopefully we'll have good luck with the russet potatoes as well. And if you find this video of value, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and by all means, folks, stay safe, take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.